Welcome to today's current affairs class. First question for today. When is World No Tobacco Day observed every year? Answer is 31st May. Second question. Which birth anniversary of Lokmata Ahilyabai Holkar was celebrated on 31st May 2025? Answer is 300th. Third question. Where is India's first AI-based special economic zone being established? Answer is Chhattisgarh. Fourth question. The nomadic elephant military exercise is being held between India and which country? Answer is Mongolia. Fifth question. The National Florence Nightingale Awards 2025 have been conferred on how many nurses? Answer is 15. Sixth question. Who recently released the Global Annual 2 Decadal Climate Update report? Answer is WMO. Seventh question. Where will the 2026 Asian Weightlifting Championship be held? Answer is Ahmedabad. Eighth question. Who is the youngest Indian mountaineer to climb the highest 7 peaks in the world? Answer is Vishwanath Karthikeyan. Ninth question. In which state is the Ghatampur Thermal Power Project recently inaugurated by PM Modi located? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. 10th question. Who will lead the Indian parliamentary delegation at the 11th BRICS Parliamentary Forum to be held in Brazil? Answer is Om Birla. Now come to the Tripura and Northeast part. The question is, who has become the new Chief Justice of Tripura High Court? Answer is Ramachandra Rao. For the PDF of today's class, you can join our Telegram channel. Link is in the description. And for regular updates on current affairs, do subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.